guys, welcome back. I have missed you all. I do apologize that there wasn't a video on Tuesday. I got back from my trip from Pennsylvania visiting in-laws, and life just kind of caught up with me and it was really hard to film, but I am here, I am back. I'm super excited to be filming today. It just feels good. It's been quite a while because I did a lot of pre-filming, so technically it's been probably 2 weeks since I filmed, so it feels a little bit weird, but it's just like riding a bicycle. You just hop back on and you do it. I love how this eye look turned out. I was really inspired by the leaves changing. I love mixing like a really deep green with the orange and the yellow and kind of that burnt orange on the lid. I'm obsessed with this eye look. I want to wear it every single day. And this lip combo, oh my gosh, I completely forgot that I had this lipstick from e.l.f. This is like old school e.l.f. makeup. This is in the shade Captivating, and I paired it with this lip liner from Real Hair Cosmetics. This is one of their brand new vegan and cruelty-free lip liners, and oh my gosh, the combination is perfect. Like, I feel like a pumpkin queen. So if you guys want to hang tight and keep watching, I will show you how I did this look right here. I used a lot of drugstore products, so you know, you don't have to go out and spend a whole lot of money. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Alrighty then, let's go ahead and get started. I already did my base and brows, and I already applied my primer and set it. So I'm starting off with this single shadow. This is from Shop Miss A. It's a really nice kind of mustard yellow. So I'm just going to work this into my crease with a big fluffy brush. And I'm really building this up because I want the yellow to peek out amongst all of the other shades. So I'm using a lot of different palettes today, but I didn't have any other options, so I'm just reaching for another color. This is a really beautiful kind of like tangerine orange, and I'm just working that into the crease a little bit below the yellow and into the yellow, if that makes any sense. I'm just blending that very well in circular motions, going back and adding a little bit more yellow, making sure it stays put where it is. I'm taking this really bright pumpkin orange shade from this e.l.f. palette, and I'm really packing this into the crease area, right into that eyeball socket. So I'm just packing it on, and don't worry, we'll blend it out later. And now I'm taking a more deeper burnt looking orange shade from another Wet n Wild palette, and I'm adding that all over the lid, really packing it on, going back with that other orange shade, packing that on, and now we're going to go ahead and blend into our hand. Just can't blend anymore. I'm taking a clean fluffy blending brush and blending that out. So now I'm taking a green pencil liner. I'm going to line my waterline, and I'm also going to smudge this on the lower lashes as well, and making sure to blend it right away with a pencil brush because these pencils from Jordana set very quickly, but I love them because they're super long lasting. And then I'm going to take the green shade from that same e.l.f. jewel toned palette, I believe that's the one, and I'm going to pack this over top of that pencil. It's just going to last a lot longer and look more vibrant, and I really love this green color. Going back with that orange one more time on a smaller blending brush and just connecting everything together, blending underneath where that green is on the lower lashes. I'm going to highlight the inner corner just to brighten everything up. And then we're just going to do our typical wing liner. I went a little bit ham with the liner this time, but I'm just doing my wing liner, which takes forever, so we're just going to speed through. And I did apply some lashes and mascara. I ended up going with the Ardell ones. So now to finish off the look, I'm taking some bronzer to my face. Gonna blend, give some warmth back into my skin. And I'm also taking the contour, which this is all from e.l.f. Cosmetics. You know how much I love my bronzer palette from e.l.f. And just blending that really well. And then for blush today, I'm going to mix a couple of shades from my Beach Cosmetics blush palette. I love this blush palette because you can easily mix and match the colors, and it's just kind of fun to create your own personal custom shade. I'm just going to pop that on the cheeks. And then for highlight today, I'm using that old but favorite, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Precious Petals. And oh girl, I am so loving that glow. We're going to set everything with some setting spray. I just picked this one up from Walmart. It's the one from Hard Candy.
And then for the lips, I'm going to add a lip liner, which is a beautiful burnt orange shade, and then matching that with a lipstick as well. Just filling that in, using my finger to blend it, and apply the lipstick over top. Just super, super easy. So that is it, you guys. That completes this look.
Alright guys, so that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, you can find a list of all of the products I used today in the description box, so definitely check that out. Leave a comment down below and tell me what other looks you want me to do. I'm so excited for fall. I'm ready to do the really bold, smoky, grungy oranges and purples, and I'm so ready. So ready for fall, for all the burgundies and plums. I can't wait. I'm so excited. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. I post new videos on every Tuesday, Friday, and sometimes on Sunday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every single week. So thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I will catch you all in the next video. And remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye guys.